Hi guys, I'm Dom Seeley and I'm here today with PrettyLittleThing and BeautyWorks to show you my top 5 clip-in extension hacks. So this is how the 18-inch double hair set weft comes. It comes as a sliding wardrobe. You get your hanger. So you only want to backcomb on the parts where the clips will anchor into them. So the reason why we backcomb as well is just so it prevents the hair extensions from sliding out, so it gives it a nice cushion shape. We've also done the section on a diagonal just so it blends and falls better around the face and into the back of the nape of the neck. So I've popped my backcombing points in, and then what you want to do is you want to just slide these up, then slide them into the cushion points. You know you've got the exact area because that hair is not going anywhere, it's nice and secure. And just snap and clip those in. So they're your first two sections or points of contact done. And then you just find where you want to go on the sides, on that slight diagonal again, and just slide them onto them cushion points and just clip and attach. And as you can see, it's nice and strong and secure. So one of the other reasons why I love the double hair set weft is that you can add multitonal colours. So at the moment, Danielle's wearing Brombre, and I also have Mocha Melt. You can choose the lighter shade in your colour or the darker shade and add that colour just to keep it multitonal. So another one of my favourite hacks with the double hair set weft is stacking extensions. So if you run out of space, or if you are wanting to do like a half up, half down style, you can put the extension on the same section as the previous extension. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slide these two clips into the previous backcomb section. What I did with the previous one, I lowered it down just so it's still in that same cushioned area. And just slide those in and clip in. So as you can see, we've now got both of the double hair set wefts clipped in, and we've got the Mocha Melt on top and the Brombre underneath, but as you can see, it just gives it a really nice subtle blend of multitonal colour. The double hair set weft comes on this hair hanger, so another one of my hair hacks would be is to hang the weft up onto this if you find it hard to style the hair in your head, or if you're also short on time, it just makes everything so much easier to then eventually wave, straighten or curl your hair. Another good thing about the double hair set weft is that it's 100% human hair, so you can style, wave, curl, straighten, but I recommend that you use the 10-in-1 or any heat protectant so that it's just protected while you're styling. I hope you've enjoyed watching my top 5 clip-in hair extension hacks. Thanks for watching.